Hey, so I'm back. It's been a while since I've been on camera. I've been so busy with stuff, both professionally and personally. But I'm back, so let's get into it. It's a new year. We're starting off with something very simple. It's called Peppermint Tart. It's one of the easiest things you can knock out, probably 15-20 minutes. Let's go. Need about a cup of cream, Peppermint Crisp, and then some caramel treats and some coconut biscuits. So I'm using tennis biscuits in this case. Let's go. All right, let's get started. So for the, oops, I'm holding it upside down, jeez. For the caramel treat, now you could use the entire can if you've got a sweet tooth, but I kind of like a bit of balance and I don't want you to be too sweet. So I'm going to use about 2/3 of this can. This is about 360 grams. Okay, there we go. Side. Okay, let's go with a teaspoon more. I'm gonna smooth this out. Let's grab our bowl. Grab your cream. So I'm using full cream here. I'm gonna whisk this by hand. This is what you want, stiff peaks. Okay, let's go with our chocolate. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this in half. Okay, the other half I'm gonna toss back into the fridge. So my place is quite hot. It's quite a hot day today, so I don't want the chocolate to melt too quickly. So essentially all we're gonna do is going to dice this up. Okay, the rough chop, set that aside. Grab your caramel. Just combine the cream and then you're just gonna fold this in. Set that aside. Grab your bowl. Just grab a couple. Lay them down at the bottom. You don't have to be perfect here. And so let me just take 2, I'll crush them. Again, just crushing a few to fill up the gaps here. Cream on. And the other half of your Peppermint Crisp. Throw that down, same as before. Just throwing this all over the top. Cover that up and refrigerate. It's been about 12 hours. Looks to be set. And this looks kind of nice, so I don't want to destroy it, but I'm going to just take a small piece and place that on the plate. I'm going to put this back in the fridge. Back with our vanilla ice cream. Okay. All right, now comes the fun part. Let's try some. We're gonna take some of this end. So just a little bit of ice cream and a little bit of the actual tart. It's good. It's really good. Okay, so you've got the crunchiness of the chocolate or the peppermint flakes. You've got the creaminess of the caramel and the cream. And then you've got that soft biscuit texture, which seems to have sort of changed a bit. Pair that with ice cream. Banger. Okay, I'm gonna have one more bite.
Oh, I missed my hand. I think it's rude if I'm eating this and I'm trying to talk to you while on camera. I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.